Today, we're diving deep into the world of on-page SEO. I hope you're ready to unlock the full potential of your website's content. It's not enough to just press publish on a piece of content that you think your audience will love. You need to optimize it. We're putting marketing back into content marketing, folks. And one of the best ways to do that is to ensure that you're optimizing your content after it's created. On-page SEO is a key factor for any great digital marketing strategy, as it will make your website irresistible to search engines, aka Google. So let's explore how you can master it, step by step, and get your content to rank. Let's dive in. Step 1. For great on-site SEO is all about keyword research. It's not just about what you think your audience wants. It's about knowing what they're actually searching for and typing into Google to find things. You may have found this exact video by typing in "what is on-site SEO" or some variation. This is a powerful first step because you're able to align your content with your audience's wants. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to uncover those juicy keywords that can drive targeted traffic to your site. Don't just go after keywords that have a ton of people looking for them either. Look for long-tail keywords, which are less competitive and have a higher conversion potential. For instance, best apps for managing Canadian personal finance might have less volume than finance app, but be a goldmine waiting to be tapped into for an app that serves the Canadian market. Keyword research is the cornerstone of effective SEO, serving as the compass for your content strategy. It goes beyond identifying popular search terms. It's about delving into the minds of your audience to understand their search intent. When you comprehend the why behind a search query, you can tailor your content to meet those needs. Whether users are seeking information, comparing products, or ready to purchase, aligning your content with their intent ensures that your site becomes the answer they find. This alignment not only boosts your visibility in search engine results pages, but also enhances user engagement and your on-site conversion rates. By targeting keywords based on intent, you're not just attracting traffic, you're attracting the right traffic. Step 2. Create high-quality content. This is where your brand, commitment to storytelling, and adding value to the reader comes in. This is where you have to really shine. Your content should answer questions, solve problems, and deliver value. It's not just about what you say, it's about how you say it. Use a mix of text, images, and videos to create a rich user experience. Creating high-quality content that aligns with search intent is the linchpin of on-site SEO strategies. In the realm of SEO, content is king, but context is the kingdom. It's not enough to produce well-written content. It must resonate with the specific needs and desires that prompt users to search in the first place. When content satisfies search intent, it signals to search engines that your page is a valuable resource, which can lead to higher rankings. Content that addresses the user's search intent is more likely to engage visitors, reduce bounce rates, and encourage them to interact with your site further, whether that's through sharing your content, signing up for a newsletter, or making a purchase. This relevance not only fosters trust and authority in the eyes of your audience, but also in the algorithmic gaze of search engines, making it a critical component of any on-site SEO strategy. Remember, quality content is more likely to earn backlinks, which are like votes of confidence from other sites, and Google loves a popular vote. So go big. Create things your competitors will be jealous that they didn't create first. All right, step 3, create compelling meta content. Your meta title and description are your content's handshake with search engines and users. They should be inviting and informative. Include your primary keyword and make sure they align with the content's core message. Keep your meta titles under 60 characters and descriptions around 155 characters. Think of them as your ad copy in the search results. Step 4 is the URL structure. A clean URL is like a clear path to your house. It should be easy to read and include your keyword. For example, /morning routines for success tells both users and search engines what to expect on the page. URL best practices are a fundamental aspect of SEO that often go overlooked, yet they play a crucial role in how both users and search engines perceive the content of a web page. A well-crafted URL should be clear, concise, and structured in a way that intuitively indicates the subject matter of the page. Here are some key best practices for URL optimization. Keep it readable. A URL should be easy to read and understand by humans. This means using words that clearly indicate the content of the page, rather than long strings of numbers or letters. Use keywords. Including relevant keywords in a URL can signal to search engines what the page is about, contributing to better rankings for those terms. However, keyword stuffing should be avoided. Use them naturally and sparingly. Simplify structure. A simple, logical URL structure not only helps users navigate your site, but also helps search engines understand the relationship between pages. This can be achieved by organizing content into categories and subcategories reflected in the URL. Hyphens over underscores. When separating words in a URL, it's best to use hyphens rather than underscores, as search engines like Google treat hyphens as space but do not recognize underscores in the same way. Lowercase letters. To avoid confusion and the potential for duplicate pages, always use lowercase letters in URLs. Some servers treat URLs with uppercase letters as different from those with lowercase letters. Do these things, and your URLs will be crystal clean. 1. Keep it readable. 2. Use keywords. 3. Simplify the structure. 4. Hyphens over underscores. 5. Use lowercase letters. Got it? Good. Step 5 for on-site SEO. Use header tags throughout the body of your content. Headers structure your content like a well-organized outline. Your H1 is your hook, so make it strong and keyword-rich. Then, use H2s and H3s to break up the text into scannable, digestible sections. For step 6, optimize your images. Images can slow down your site if they're not optimized, so resize them, compress them, and don't forget the alt text. Alt text helps search engines understand the image, and it's essential for accessibility. Step 7 is internal linking. It's your site's circulatory system. Linking to other relevant content on your site helps users and search engines find more of your content. It's like saying, hey, if you love this, you're going to enjoy this too. If you have a blog post on a certain topic, link to other topics from that blog post. This is a great way to provide value to the reader, but also helps Google understand the connection between different parts of your website and how they all work together. All right, that's it. That's a wrap. Those are the 7 steps to on-page SEO success. Each step is a building block to a more visible, more powerful website presence. Remember, the key to SEO is consistency and quality. Keep refining, keep updating, and stay ahead of the game. If you're ready to take your SEO to the next level, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. We've got plenty more insights where this came from. Keep optimizing, keep ranking, and I'll see you on the internet.